Welcome. If you want to rename your fake AirPods Pro connected to your Android smartphone, at the first you have to enter the Bluetooth settings. Next you have to open charging case of your AirPods, of your fake AirPods. Then click on the settings icon of your AirPods right here, and then just click here to change the name. Then tap to rename, and when you go back you can see that the name of our AirPods has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.